Golden brown. That looks better than store-bought bread.
You paddle out?
Huh?
Paddle out?
I just emptied it out.
Oh.
It came right out. And I just sprayed or anything. You're supposed to let this cool for 20 minutes, but we're gonna test this out. Cut it back.
No, you don't like the butt, but I'll eat it.
No, we're gonna share the butt part together. Cause I wanna see what it's working with. Baby slathering on some butter.
Mm-hmm. Real butter.
Okay? You don't buy margarine. Right. Real butter is the best butter. It's expensive as all get out now though. Like it was expensive before, but now it's really, really expensive. Like $5 for just a. Okay. Yeah.
All I need is jelly. Good.
It's so good. Next time I make it, I'm gonna share this recipe.
That's good.
That is really good. FYI, I bought this bread maker at Goodwill. It's a $200 bread maker. I got it for $8. Cooks perfectly. This is our first time using it. We are not disappointed. We're not.
That's good, man.
You rate it, babe?
On 5? Give it 5.
I know. Okay.
We ain't buying no more bread.
No more. Bye, y'all.